Yeah. Now na ulit ako nag-sleep, so I want you guys to sleep with me. Tingnan lang natin itong mga viewers. I'm gonna do some spins. Pero, I'm not that good anymore. Sumasakit na yung katawan ko. But, I'll show you how to do a back spin. Dito ako. Okay, wait lang guys. I'll be back in a while. I'm just gonna tie my shoelace and baka I'm gonna send videos soon. So bye guys.